It really is the sweetest bite.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan, and in this video we're going to talk about how reliability-centered maintenance can help you find your sweet spot when it comes to identifying proactive maintenance tasks for your equipment. I'm in Russellville, Alabama at the Watermelon Festival, and something I learned about watermelons is every watermelon has a sweet spot. That is that area in the middle that is the sweetest. And that reminds me about reliability-centered maintenance. When it comes to identifying failure management strategies for our failure modes, when we do reliability-centered maintenance, we analyze one failure mode at a time. Now let's take, for example, a simple failure mode like oil degrades due to normal use. You can use the RCM process and the questions that RCM poses and answer them to identify the best proactive maintenance task. The thing is that sometimes there's more than one maintenance task that's technically the right thing to do for your equipment. For example, with our oil, we could choose to change the oil at a specified interval based on the useful life of the oil. Or we could choose to do condition-based maintenance and do oil analysis. In other words, take an oil sample and only change the oil based upon evidence of need. When you answer the RCM questions on the RCM decision diagram, it helps you to figure out which task would be the most cost-effective, or, if we're talking about safety or environmental consequences, the task that could reduce the risk of failure to a tolerable level. So there you have it. You can use reliability-centered maintenance to find your sweet spot when it comes to managing a failure mode when you can choose between two different maintenance tasks. I'm Nancy Regan from Russellville, Alabama at the Watermelon Festival. Thank you for watching. Here's the sweet spot.
It really is the sweetest bite.